So when we get in here, it's pretty cool because on this side, you've got the toilet and a shower with a rain head and a wand. Right across the hall is a huge tub. You got your sink and your soaps and lotions and things like that. Look how big this tub is. Next, when we come through this foyer, there's a door so you can just have some extra quiet time here. This paneling, original. These ceilings go forever. They're probably, what do you say, about 20 feet tall, 18 foot. They're pretty tall. Let's go check out the rest of the room. So when you come on in, you've got your glasses, you've got your tea, you got your coffee, you've got your different coffee types here. In the mini bar, they got Coke, Coke Zero, sparkling and mineral water or still water, free. Then, come on over here, you've got a fan, you've got a safe that actually is big enough for a laptop and a drawer and some under storage. You have your TV remote, you have a remote for the blinds. There's also a button over there that Heejin found that she's been playing with so they can open and close, open and close. They're like windshield wipers, swish, swish, swish. And then you got your thermostat right here. See, look, it's at it again. This is why I don't have stuff like this in my house because they'd be broken all the time. Let's go check out the rest of the room. Now this is the deluxe Canal view room. I haven't looked at the Canal view yet. We're gonna see it together. Ready? Let's go. See it? I'll get you a better look. So in the old days, when these would go, you would stand on the platform and go down, and then you would step on the platform to go up.